Fake browser security warnings. Your guide to navigating digital threats safely and calmly. Don't panic. Don't click. Don't call. Legitimate companies do not diagnose your computer through random browser pop-ups. The scammer's trap. It looks official. Borrows logos and system colors to build false trust. Creates fear. Triggers the fight or flight response with loud alarms. Forces urgency. Uses countdowns to stop you from thinking clearly. Panic is the scammer's favorite tool. They want you to react before you evaluate. Pause before you click. Real versus fake security alerts. Real antivirus and operating system alert. The origin, system tray or dedicated app window. The tone, calm, informative, standard text. Call to action. Click here to quarantine or run scan. Visuals, integrated with your operating system. Fake browser scam. Origin, trapped inside a web browser window or tab. Tone, screaming, threatening, loud alarms. Call to action. Call this random 800 number immediately. Visuals, flashing red graphics and countdown timers. Stop before you react. The do not checklist. Do not call the number. Do not click scan, clean, fix, or download. Do not give out passwords. Do not provide payment information, and do not allow remote control of your computer. The safest move is to avoid interacting with the pop-up entirely. Close it safely. Do not click inside the warning itself. Try safely closing the browser tab or window normally. For Windows, hit Control-Shift-Escape. That opens Task Manager. Select the browser, click End Task. For your Apple computer, use Command-Option-Escape. Opens Forced Quit menu. Select Browser and click Force Quit. If the browser remains frozen, restart the computer. Quick safety check. Reopen the browser carefully. Do not restore previous or suspicious tabs. Clear recent browser data and history if needed. Run a scan with your trusted security tool. Update your browser and operating system. Most fake warnings are just scam web pages, but running a safety check ensures peace of mind. What if you already engaged? Called, clicked, paid, or gave remote access? Number 1. Sever access. Disconnect from the internet immediately. Number 2. Clean up. Uninstall any remote access tools you were instructed to download. Number 3. Secure accounts. Change important passwords. Use a different trusted device to do this. Number 4. Protect finances. Contact your bank or credit card company if payment info was shared. Number 5. Escalate. Report the scam to your IT team, bank, or appropriate fraud reporting agency. Fast action can significantly reduce harm. A sudden pop-up says your computer is infected. Alarms are blaring and a giant red box tells you to call an 800 number immediately. What is your first move? The answer? Do not call. Close the browser safely using system shortcuts. Force quit Task Manager and report it if needed. Real security does not scream at you, threaten you, or demand a phone call. Don't panic, close it, report it. Fake browser warnings are designed purely to scare you into making a bad decision. Stay calm, close the browser safely, and only ever use your trusted pre-installed support channels. Remember, don't click, don't call, close safely. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.